Hello team, today being 23rd January, is a Friday. This is our side progress. We are still casting the ground beam. Hii ni ground beam entry main, the main entry face. As you can see in perimeter for main entry. For main entry. So we are doing casting a ground beam. Then the other side, in the lower part of the perimeter, hii ilikuwa chini, tumefanya ground beam casting yesterday. So you can see. So today tumefanya walling to that level. Tumeongeza hapo 5 courses. Hapa tumeongeza 5. Hapa tumemanage tukaongeza 6. Hapa tumeongeza 5. Alafu zingine zote ziko through. So you can see, I think you're getting it clear. This is what we've achieved for today. And hivyo, then huko nyuma they are also doing column casting. Huko nyuma they are doing column casting. Kwa wale imekuwa ground beam, tuko kwa column casting. Column casting. Column casting. Then on the other side, we cast from that point to kokote. Manage to that point. Though sand imeisha, mchanga imeisha yote. So tomorrow hatutakuwa na kazi yote inahitaji mchanga. Hatutakuwa na walling, hatutakuwa na casting until Monday. I think nimesema Monday ndio hiyo culvert itakuwa imesha harden. So huku tulicast yesterday. Kwa hivyo on the main house, still on the roofing pia tumecover some things, on top of things. I think you can get it. Bado tukianza kuweka palings. So far tumefika kwa roofing. You can see ndio wenye iko hiyo king post. Hiyo ni ridge ya kwanza, drop hapo. Ridge ya pili, drop hapo. Ridge ya tatu, you know, have a valley here, have a valley here, have another valley here. Yes, you have this side, you have 2 valleys. Then after 2 valleys, you have the ridge cap. I think itakuwa hapo. All the variables will fit at that point. I think ikielekea kuisha ndio utaelewa pia bado more details on the roofing. Tukikuja on the other side, on the entry side, hapo sawa kuna hip ndogo niko kwa thingi. Kuna hip niko hapo kwa master bedroom. I think you are also getting, yeah, we have another valley here. You see, there's a valley. Then this is a hip. And the hip is a master bedroom. Then to this hip, angalia kuna that king post in step down to the hip, then to that to connect with the main roof. Yeah, I think you're getting it. But after everything is clear, I think you get to understand the points of some missing points. But ukiangalia ikiwa hivi you can't understand it. But after tumeshamaliza hivyo, tumeka all the palings, tumekuja hadi tunamaliza na fascia, I think you will get it clear. Yeah, that is enough for today. Thank you.